subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Vivo Y35 5G back in December last year, the company has now launched the successor of it in China as Vivo Y35 Plus 5G. Now let's see the specifications of this smartphone. The Vivo Y35 Plus 5G features a tall 6.64-inch Full HD Plus display, with a standard 60 Hz refresh rate support, and it has a large 90.9% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by newly launched MediaTek Dimensity 6020 chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8 GB of RAM, that can be extended up to another 8 GB by using Memory Fusion 3.0 technology, and it has 128 or 256 GB of UFS 2.2 storage. As per the optics, the Vivo Y35 Plus 5G sports a dual camera setup on the rear, that includes a 50-megapixel main camera, with f1.8 aperture, along with an unspecified secondary lens. At the front, it has 8-megapixel camera under the water drop notch at the top center, with f2.0 aperture. The device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 15-watt fast charging support, and it runs on latest Android 13 out of the box, based on Origin OS 3 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.1 by 76.17 by 8.1 millimeters, and it weighs around 190 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. The Vivo Y35 Plus 5G has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1,399 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage model is priced at 1,599 Chinese yuan, and the higher variant with 8GB plus 256GB storage option is priced at 1,799 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now available for purchase in the country in Star Night Black, Lake Blue, and Nebula Purple color options. So what do you guys think of this Vivo Y35 Plus 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below. And stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.